Hi there, this is Alfie Whattam. I'm London's tech recruiter and the host of the London Technology Talks podcast on LinkedIn. Digital and technology across London and areas across the UK. Today I'm speaking to Vasile about a few different things. And so thanks for joining us on the podcast. Could you just start by telling us a little bit about yourself and the kind of stuff that you're working on?
Yeah, so my main degree is law, corporate law, and I switched to tech like 5 years ago or something. I managed my team, my tech business for 8 years before, but I was very curious about tech and started learning front end. Like basically in the end of the day, I became a front end developer. And for last almost 4 years, I'm working as a front end developer. And 2 years ago, I started a community to help other people to become developers, which is codersinhuds. And just very recently, we decided to open a bootcamp and teach people basically front end and the back end, so full stack bootcamp, and help them to get to tech market and get them tech jobs.
Brilliant. So codersinhuds is like a training academy, that sort of thing for development.
Yeah, so our main idea is to make the tech education affordable as possible. If you check the current market, it is the pricing are crazy. And I actually a few years ago I paid for my bootcamp 8K, and this is like a typical price for any bootcamp now, and it's like up to probably 10K or something. And because we've refactored the model and how we approach people and how the whole communication and like the process works, we reduced the price, and our bootcamp cost like 2K. And besides that, we can to extra motivate, because we found that money motivates everyone.
Yes.
And we decided that if you're going through our bootcamp, if you're taking our bootcamp and successfully completing every module, and basically if you successfully complete one module, you'll get £200 refund. Yes. So in the end of the course, you might get like up to 50% as a refund. So to keep you motivated and work hard for your own good.
Brilliant. That would definitely motivate me.
Yeah.
Wicked. All right. So we're filming this during lockdown. What's your lockdown experience been like?
Depressing, I believe. I was working the whole time, and for me, I'm also working as a front-end developer in Coyote Software, which is a prop tech company, and I was working from home, and it is very annoying that you can't go outside and travel somewhere. It's mostly that you can't travel somewhere, because recently I took a vacation, let's say, for 4 days. Yeah. And I found that the problem is not about that I'm just tired from job. I just tired of being here. Yeah. And so now I'm planning another one, but now to go somewhere far from London.
Yeah, no, absolutely. With everything getting eased and relaxed now, it's obviously a good time to do it. Wicked. So obviously you've been in the industry for quite a while, and now a lot of people that watch these videos fall into a similar category to the people that you train, in that they're junior developers, IT graduates. Do you have any advice for those people that are just entering their sort of tech journeys?
Yeah, I even after you graduated, I would suggest you to keep build projects, to look for real examples and some real apps and try to replicate them. Even simple versions, to build a simple version of Uber Eats or some bank app or whatever, just to play with the tech, with technology, with if you're building a web, basically playing with React, because it's more the most popular framework, or Vue or Angular, whatever. But just to keep building things, because that basically increase and brings the extra value to your portfolio. And when you're doing all these real things, because every time when you're going to the interview, people and companies normally asking for things that they are building and some part of or some piece of their functionality. And if you do it on your own time, That means it's very easy for you to replicate it on a like tech exercise, on a test. Sorry.
Yes.
So yeah.
No, absolutely.
Just keep
It makes people stand out as well when you look at CVs, right? And they've got not just the education, but they've also got the sort of, personal projects, commercial experience, and that sort of thing from an interview perspective. Brilliant. All right. Well, look, in terms of looking forward, future technologies, cutting edge tech, is there anything that at the moment which is really exciting to you and that you're passionate about and you think will have a big impact on the future?
Yeah, I think it's like, if you talk about some web development, I would say that the Flutter is a big thing. It's an upcoming big thing. And I think that it becomes very popular, and it is already. It is the market for Flutter growing rapidly.
Yeah.
So I think that Flutter is a next big thing for web, and like web and app application software.
Yeah.
I like personally, I'm very interested in cybersecurity as well.
Yes.
I can't find some spare time to do it, to learn it, but I think this is a huge thing because everything is moving to tech and everything moving to that direction. And cybersecurity is already a big thing. Mm-hmm. And I think it will just grow because hackers become smarter. And you just need to know how to protect your data. And many companies we will see a lot of startups in future, the cybersecurity startups.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I've been hearing a lot of good things about Flutter as well from quite a few good people in the industry. So obviously it's taking off and starting to get legs.
Yeah.
Wicked. Well, thanks so much for taking the time to have a quick chat to get your ideas and insights and thoughts and that sort of thing. And I'll tag on LinkedIn when it pops out so people can reach out if they've got further questions. But thanks so much for the chat, and thank you to everybody.
Thank you. See ya.